Making $100 per day online will allow you to quit your 9-to-5 job and do all the things that you always wanted to do. You would pretty much live a life worth living. Today I'll give you 10 of the best work from home jobs that you can use to make at least $100 per day online. Whether you live in Australia, China, India, Russia, United Kingdom, or the United States, you can use any of today's recommended jobs to make $100 per day online. You can start any of these jobs without prior experience. You also don't need any money to get started. This is awesome. I've been making a full-time income with my laptop and my efforts, and I've made as much as $13,000 in a single day. I was very fortunate to have stumbled upon the right business models at the right time, and with the right work ethic, I was able to generate a full-time income online, which allowed me to travel the world. I always dreamed of taking a vacation to the gorgeous Maldives and staying in an overwater bungalow. And now that I'm making a full-time income online, I'm finally able to focus on the things that are really important to me, like improving my soccer skills and improving my billiard skills. If you are anything like the average person who wants the freedom that comes with the laptop lifestyle, you are going to benefit hugely from this video. Think about what an extra $100 to $300 per day can do for you. You could travel the world, spend more time with your family, or learn something new. No matter what your goals are, this video will give you the right ideas so you can turn that vision of yours into reality. Number 10 and 9 are the easiest work from home jobs that really anyone can start today and earn an income as soon as tomorrow. Number 8 to 4 requires more effort but will pay good money. Number 3, 2, and 1 are the top work from home jobs that will pay you a lot of money relatively quickly. I really appreciate you investing your precious time with me today. Can you do me a favor? Annihilate the like button for me, please. It would really help me out a lot. Thank you very much. Subscribe now if you haven't done so yet. Also hit the notification bell to be the first to watch my next video. Number 10, virtual assistant. You can become a virtual assistant for any type of online job that you can think of. Being a great virtual assistant requires your fullest commitment to the job. It's what every company wants to see. I started my virtual assistant journey working for an SEO company that was selling link building services at the time. They paid me $7 per hour to handle simple tasks like scheduling link building packages and sending reports to clients. Not only was I able to make $7 per hour and learned the whole process the company used to generate $30,000 to $70,000 monthly from selling SEO services, they also gave me free links to my money sites, which helped me to increase my AdSense earnings and flip my websites for several $1,000s per website on Flippa. I was creative and took immediate action on the opportunities given to me. I learned so much from this job, skills that I use in my business every day. While certain virtual assistant jobs like handling customer support for a software company may not pay much, finding a company that gives you the right incentives, like giving you access to tools and services for free, can greatly help improve your earning potential online. My advice? Hunt for companies that offer services or tools that you can use yourself in your business and negotiate a certain amount of free usage as a bonus for your efforts. It simply works. I was able to generate $100 to $300 per day working for that company because I was able to get free services that I could use to grow my own business. You can use sites like Upwork, Freelancer, and even forums to find the right virtual assistant job that pay at least $100 per day. Number 9, Tutor. Becoming a tutor, teaching your native language, is one of the easiest ways to make money online. I speak English, German. Hallo, ich bin der Arno. Ich komme aus Österreich und es freut mich, dich kennenzulernen. Spanish. Me gusta los extrovertidos que son españoles y estoy de vacaciones en España de vez en cuando. And Japanese. Mi namae wa Arno deso. I'll tell you what I have learned from successful tutors that I have studied with. Since you're watching this video, you obviously have at least some basic English level, which is enough to help someone who speaks English to learn your language. It doesn't matter if you speak Chinese, Hindu, English, French, or Spanish. You can help anyone learn your language. Teaching a language can earn you anywhere from $5 all the way up to $40 or even $50 per lesson. That's a very decent hourly rate considering the fact that you will have the opportunity to work from home. This is one of the best work from home jobs that anyone can do regardless of their level of experience. How you would go about it is by signing up to a site like italki.com and offering lessons for less than the average tutor does. The whole point of charging less is so that people can try your tutoring lessons and so you can upsell your bundles on the test call. Your goal is to get as many trial lessons as possible so you can upsell a package of 10 or 20 lessons. One person may be interested in learning formal business Spanish so they can have more fun during their business trip. Another person might want to learn conversational Spanish so they can have an informal conversation at a bar. The lesson from this is that people want very different things and you have to adjust your lessons based on what each person wants. I can tell you that tutoring is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Number 8, a website developer. Web developers earn good money, especially the ones working with companies that need ongoing web development. You can learn any coding language by watching YouTube videos so you don't have to invest hundreds or thousands of dollars in expensive courses. If you want to become a WordPress developer, then you need to learn PHP, the engine of WordPress. You also need to be able to write in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. WordPress is just one way to make money as a web developer. You can hard code regular websites or specialize in e-commerce as well. In order to become a good coder, you really have to enjoy the process of coding. Proficient coders can earn thousands of dollars a month by working with just 1 or 2 clients. Number 7, a product creator. Product creators can make a lot of money if they manage to create the right product for the right audience. The good part about creating your own products is that you control 100% of the backend. Writing informational products like ebooks usually doesn't take a lot of skill, so as long as you have some experience in a given subject, you can be successful at writing ebooks. You could write an ebook in just a few hours and use the ebook to build a list so that you can then sell your products and services. List building is one of the most profitable ways to make a living working from home, and many digital entrepreneurs have used this business model to make 6 figures and even 7 figures per year. The richest internet marketers made their money from their list. Did you ever hear the saying, the money is in the list? It's so true. Number 6, a copywriter. A copywriter is someone who writes content for sales pages, landing pages, and video sales letters. As you can probably guess, a copywriter gets paid a lot of money as they have tremendous influence over the sales of a product or service. The typical article writer earns anywhere from 2 cents per word on a beginner level, all the way up to 10 cents per word on an expert level. Now, copywriters earn at least 10 cents per word on a beginner level, but can make as much as $1 per word on an expert level. So you could earn $1,000 for a 1,000 word sales copy. Copywriting is a very well paid skill, and in order to earn $1 per word, you have to write sales copy for the right entrepreneurs. Even if you just earned 10 cents per word, you could earn at least $100 per day writing a 1,000 word sales copy. Number 5, consultant. You can become a consultant on any subject, be it business, weight loss, dating, fishing, it doesn't matter what it is. People need help with their problem. You can charge anywhere from $50 to $2,000 per hour consulting someone who really needs your help in order to improve their life or business. Consultants who are good at marketing and filling a need oftentimes make 6 and some even 7 figures per year. Number 4, marketing agency. Most businesses have a budget for sales and marketing, and it's the top priority for any business owner because sales and marketing determine the growth of a company. There are only a few things that you need to become a marketing agency. You need a traffic source that will generate leads and sales for your clients. You need a website talking about your processes and how they help companies generate more leads and sales from the internet. And you need a marketing funnel to convert traffic into sales for your business. Annihilate the like button if you're ready to work from home. Number 3, a video editor. I'm really glad that you made it this far. Not many people do. We have finally reached the top 3 work from home jobs. Let's talk about video editors. The average video editor earns $40 per hour. Let's say you edited one video which took you about 8 hours, then you would have made a staggering $320 that day. And if you did that 30 times a month, it will come down to over $9,600. Video editing is the kind of work from home job that will always pay good money, as companies really require good video editing in order to build their brands and sell their products. So if you want to become a video editor, simply get started. Get iMovie or Adobe After Effects and start editing some videos. Number 2, affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online and work from home, as you don't need to create your own product in order to make money.
Neither do you need to handle customer support.
In order to become one of the best paid affiliate marketers, you need to specialize in a traffic source that will generate the right kind of traffic for the right product. Affiliate networks pay you anywhere from $10 all the way up to $1,000 per sale. So you can make anywhere from $10 to $1,000 per commission. So if a product sells at $100 and your affiliate commission is 50%, then you would make $50 per sale. I have made as much as $4,000 in a single day promoting affiliate products. The biggest niches are business op, weight loss, and dating, and many affiliate marketers make most of their money in these 3 niches. You can get started as an affiliate marketer. Just sign up for a couple affiliate networks like ClickBank, MaxBounty, and start promoting products today. If you don't have any money to spend on advertising, you can always use free traffic sources like Facebook and YouTube to promote affiliate offers. And of course, there has to be a number 1. Number 1, arbitrager. It really blows my mind how few people talk about digital arbitrage. The amount of money that you can make as a digital arbitrager exceeds most of the work from home jobs that we discussed in this video. Maybe they make so much money as a digital arbitrager that they don't want the general population like you and me to know how they make their money. I love digital arbitrage, and I have consistently made money as an arbitrager selling products that I didn't have to create or deliver myself. As an arbitrager, you specialize in traffic. So it's very similar to affiliate marketing, where you just handle the advertising. But in digital arbitrage, your mission is to buy low and sell high. So you can work from home and arbitrage anything that you can think of, like web design services, software, products, and even labor. So you could work with an outsourcing firm that provides virtual assistants and find companies that need labor in order to perform certain tasks. So if a company charged you, say, $5 per hour for a virtual assistant, you could arbitrage that labor and charge another company maybe $10 per hour. Success in digital arbitrage is mainly predicated on markup and marketing skills. But anyone can arbitrage anything. You just have to know where to sell the product or service. I really hope you enjoyed this video on the 10 best work from home jobs that pay at least $100 per day. I use several of these money-making systems in my business every day. It doesn't matter which job you choose. Focus on one and become good at it. Once you are successful at a job, you can add a second or third system so you can increase your income even more. Now that you have absorbed information that I shared with you, you are ready for success. Got questions about the best work from home jobs that pay at least $100 per day? Feel free to leave them in the comments below. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. I see you in the next video.